It's Sunday morning. The lights outside is soft and golden, gently touching the curtains. The house is quiet. Everyone is still asleep. My husband, David, and our 2 children, Anna and Peter. I stand by the window for a moment, feeling grateful. Sundays are always special for us. No work, no hurry, just time together. I slowly open the curtains and sunlight spills across the room. The warm light touches Anna's face as she sleeps. Her small hands are holding her toy rabbit. Peter is still under his blanket, his hair messy and soft. I whisper, "Good morning, my little ones," and touch their shoulders gently. They move a little, stretch, and smile. Their sleepy eyes open slowly, and our family day begins. Morning routine and family breakfast. The first thing we always do is brush our teeth. Tiny faces look at themselves in the mirror, covered in white bubbles of toothpaste. Anna laughs when she sees the foam on her nose. Peter giggles when he tries to rinse his mouth and spills some water. "Good job," I say, clapping softly. Clean teeth, happy smile. Next, we move to the kitchen. The smell of toast fills the air. Anna wants strawberry jam on her bread, while Peter asks for cereal with cold milk. The table looks colorful: red jam, yellow butter, white milk, and golden toast. We eat together, slowly and happily. The sound of spoons and small laughter mixes with the warm morning light. After breakfast, everyone gets ready. Anna puts on her little pink jacket. Peter struggles with his shoelaces. As always, David kneels down to help him tie them properly. When we're finally ready, we step outside. The air feels fresh and new. The walk to the park on the way. We see yellow flowers blooming by the fence. Butterflies dance around them. The children point and shout, "Look, Mommy!" A big brown dog runs across the street. Its tail moves like a flag. Peter laughs loudly, while Anna hides behind me, smiling shyly. The park is not far from our home. When we enter, the sound of birds fills the air. The grass is green and soft. Anna runs straight to the swing. She loves the feeling of flying. Her hair moves in the wind, her laughter bright and clear. Peter climbs up the slide again and again, shouting, "Look, I'm so fast." David and I sit on a wooden bench under a tall tree. The sunlight falls through the leaves, creating golden dots on the ground. I hold a cup of tea in my hands, still warm. David smiles. "They're so happy," he says. "Yes," I reply softly, "and when they're happy, we're happy too." Lunch at the mall. After an hour of play, it's time for lunch. We drive to the shopping mall. The road is quiet, and the radio plays a soft song. Anna hums along, while Peter watches the sky through the window. The mall is bright and full of people. Lights shine everywhere. The children look around with wide eyes. "Let's find something to eat," says David. The food court is busy. So many smells, so many choices. Pizza, noodles, burgers, sushi. We decide to eat something healthy. Rice with vegetables, grilled chicken, and warm soup. I put soft white rice on Anna's plate and pour some soup for Peter. The steam rises slowly. The food is simple but delicious. Healthy food. Strong body, I tell them. They nod, seriously, chewing slowly. We drink fresh water instead of soda. It's a small choice, but it feels right. Afternoon adventures after lunch. We walk around the mall. Anna loves the bookstore. She looks at colorful picture books, filled with animals and fairy tales. Peter is more interested in the toy shop. He picks up a small red car, plays with it for a few seconds, and then carefully puts it back. We don't buy much, but watching them explore makes us smile. Sometimes just looking is enough. We stop at an ice cream stall for a small treat. Chocolate for Peter, vanilla for Anna. The cold ice cream melts quickly, and soon their lips are covered in sweetness and laughter. Then we go to the cinema. It's time for a family movie. We buy 4 tickets and a big box of popcorn. The theater is dark and quiet. The big screen lights up, and cheerful music fills the room. Anna leans forward, her eyes wide. Peter holds his popcorn tightly, completely focused. I glance at them from time to time. Their faces are glowing with excitement. The movie is full of funny moments, and we all laugh together. For 2 hours, the world feels simple and perfect. Just us, a story, and happiness. Evening calm at home. When the movie ends, we step outside. The sun is lower in the sky, painting everything golden. The children talk excitedly about their favorite scenes. Anna loves the animals in the movie. Peter talks about the funny robot. Back home, the air feels cozy. I prepare some snacks, apple slices, bananas, and soft bread with butter. I pour warm milk into 2 small cups. Snack time, I call. Little feet run to the table. They sit down, smiling. The food is simple, but they enjoy it as if it's a feast. Warm milk, sweet fruits, happy hearts. After eating, they play on the carpet. Wooden blocks rise into tall towers. Cars race in circles. A doll rides in a toy truck. The room fills with laughter again. David and I sit together, watching quietly. These moments feel like magic. Story time and good night. When it's time to clean up, I say softly, "Clean up, everyone." Little hands start moving. Blocks go back into their box. Dolls sit neatly on the shelf. Cars line up side by side. Soon, the room is tidy again. Now comes my favorite time of the day. Story time. The children change into their pajamas and jump onto the bed. I sit beside them with a colorful storybook filled with pictures of cats, dogs, and stars. I begin to read slowly, my voice low and calm. The cat sleeps. The dog sleeps. The moon shines bright. Their eyes blink slowly, and I can see sleep coming closer. Anna holds her toy rabbit. Peter hugs his pillow tightly. When I finish reading, I whisper, "Good night, my loves." I tuck their blankets around them, kiss their foreheads, and turn off the light. Their breathing becomes soft and steady. They are asleep. A quiet moment of gratitude. David and I sit together in the living room. The night is calm. The day was long but beautiful. We think about the morning light, the laughter in the park, the warm lunch, and the movie. Every small moment feels precious. Every laugh, every hug, every good night. I smile and whisper, "Thank you for today." David nods. Yes, it was perfect. And that's how our Sunday ends. Not with noise, but with peace. A full day of love, learning, and togetherness. A day we'll always remember. Closing message. Thank you, my friends, for spending this Sunday with us. I hope you enjoyed this family story and learned some gentle English phrases along the way. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what do you love most about your Sundays? See you next time in another beautiful story.